It has been many years since I have made video. Yay! Yo YouTube, hello. It is Cringe King, MaulGamer. Am I right, lads? Or am I right, lads? You know what I'm saying? Alright? Alright? Oh god. Why do I still do this thing again anyway? So hi. Sorry for the lack of actual decent uploads. Cough, cough, random suggesting smash videos. Cough, cough. Missing a day yesterday. Cough, cough. I've not got coronavirus. What are you talking about? Anyway, we are reacting. Cool. Yote. That wouldn't work because it's not underneath. Anyway, so basically we have a reaction to Ari's new video, Granny Chainsaw Challenge from Let Me Go. Okay. So basically, I'm going to say this after the thing. It's like 6 minutes, so I better get started. But I'll say this after because I'm a bit concerned now. And I'll say a few things after that. Anyway, Yote, headphones, 3, 2, 1.
Hey everybody, I'm AJ. Welcome to a new video here at Random Encounters. Now you might know my wife Gwen, who makes really cool challenges that tend to be more intellectual. Well, I wanted to do a challenge, so today I put together a little thing I call the Granny Chainsaw Challenge. For today's challenge, I'm assembling a crackshot team of chainsaw tossing experts, some of whom have tossed a chainsaw before. And just to keep things interesting, we're gonna let Granny herself compete.
Granny herself.
Have you ever chucked a chainsaw?
No.
My mentor, Woody the Woodchuck, he really taught me everything he knows about chucking wood. The technique is all in the wrist. Fluid motion. He always mentioned.
He knows
fluid
Chin-Fu.
of the wood.
Wood is a solid, actually.
It doesn't matter, he's a woodchuck.
Can someone remind me where
I think about 100 million people know I've chucked a chainsaw. A lot of people watch me do it, and I think they saw me do it pretty well.
No, but I've been hit by a chainsaw.
That counts.
Chainsaw legend.
What is your greatest advantage?
My little arms.
That's an
Hey, a
advantage.
chainsaw?
Yeah.
Saw for breakfast.
Less wind resistance.
Woody the Woodchuck really honed in on what it means to have wood as your spirit animal. And
Wood isn't an animal.
you don't understand.
I've practiced. I've done it under pressure before.
Is that the same one she kept? She's with a chainsaw.
So in my arms, I will be able to throw it
Would that actually be
properly.
kind of
You
fun?
understand chainsaw dynamics.
It's true, I do. I
Wait,
studied
how would that
chainsaw
be
dynamics
nice?
in college.
My
Like-
biggest competition
He'd
would
sing a
definitely be Granny.
I believe my inner self is.
Doesn't know
because
what
if
a
I cannot
chainsaw is.
understand
Then you got-
the
why do
wood,
you have chainsaw
or
for
in
legs?
this case the
Why do you know
chainsaw,
Chin-Fu?
then I will not be able to fly like the chainsaw.
Excuse me.
Chainsaws can't fly.
When you chuck them, everything can fly.
I think Nate
Afraid
is my
of
biggest
chainsaws.
competition.
I believe I have no competition
Acoustic chainsaw
ever
soloist.
in anything.
I actually want to see the acoustic chainsaw. It's like, how would you
Kevin
play a
is the first up
chainsaw?
to throw the chainsaw. Are you ready, sir?
I'm ready.
Then, when you're prepared, let
If I was
fly.
an inkling, I'd be off for a hook. Everywhere I go, I make a splash.
Wow, a perfect 10! Nicely
It's
done.
only 10-5-0. You just chopped her arm right off.
Katie, it's time for your first throw. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, then when prepared, let fly.
Ah!
Oh no.
Oh no. It's better than nothing.
Oh no. Gwen, it's time for your first toss. Are you ready?
Totally.
Then
It's
when
not her
prepared,
first
let
toss, though.
fly.
You just hit it.
You know, last time she was closer.
She was.
And finally,
That
Nate, it's your
sounded
turn to
so
toss.
weird.
Are you ready?
That sounded like some sort of monster
All
music.
right, when prepared, let fly.
Oh.
Wow!
Wait, is he flossing
You're
with
doing
his
great.
legs?
I don't need to floss well. I knocked Granny over.
Wait, you knocked himself. Just on the back, it just made. Oh.
Wow!
Wow.
When you're ready.
This is gonna be.
Oh no! Who's dancing over here? I saw you dance.
Yes!
Oh no!
Yeah,
I must
so
train
I
harder.
can finally see.
Master will be sorely
I don't
disappointed.
need a friend
Katie,
or
you think you can do
sidekick,
better on your second
'cause
toss?
this hedgehog works
Are you ready?
alone.
Yes!
You're not
Then,
don't
let it
deny
go!
it. You're my hero, just a clone.
How's that technique, Nate?
Poor. Very poor form.
very, very poor form. Just the arm just plops off.
Miss Gwendolyn, this is your second toss. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then let her have it.
Yes.
I love how both of them just like. I forgot most of the lyrics.
Nate, changing up his stance. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then throw when
Perfect
ready.
last time, so I mean. Oh, the other arm has fallen off.
Always third.
I think you're second.
I'm second? Yes!
Both arms fell off that time. But also, you do have to notice he's walking forwards a bit, so he is sort
I
of cheating.
think I'm the real winner here because number 2 is pretty great. He's pretty awesome, and I think I'm gonna get his phone number.
Right?
Yeah.
So there's a little budding romance behind the scenes.
I think so.
These are poisonous,
Oh.
actually. You gonna be okay?
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
I came in overconfident. I really think hubris was my downfall, but you know, this was
Oh,
the hardest thing I've ever
Nate
done,
does,
and I just feel like I learned so much about myself and about how to
He
persevere.
knows even
Master
more
will
than
be pleased with my
Katie.
performance as I have moved
He knows
from
how to
third
speak
to second.
Italian.
It is a good day. Budget cut slow motions.
He knows we have a. We've got actual slow motion. You don't have to. Okay.
Yeah, was disqualified after when the officials discovered he's been using
Our big champion
performance.
is
Wait, what?
Nate!
Was there ever any doubt?
I'll have to
Do you have
check that
anything to say to your
after.
fans?
No. I don't have any fans.
I'm your no fan. Let me just call you off then.
Looks like Granny didn't fare so well today, but you know what? No matter how the competition ended, I would say that we were all the winners here today. Until the next video, AJ, beard salute! Woo!
Please don't use that arm again. Please. Stop offending us all. Oh no! This is the face of someone who hates the ads on YouTube. Let me just grab the camera real quick. And, actually, no. I'll just leave the camera there. This is where I would swear, but I am that friendly to kid that I do not do that. And that is the app that everybody wants to kill me for. And I absolutely hate it. It's dumb, it's stupid, and it should die. Also, I wanted to check what that, Right. Wait. Okay, let me just check this. Kevin was disqualified shortly afterward when officials discovered he had been using performance-enhancing sawdust. Woody Sawdust was not pleased. Woodchuck was not pleased. I'm getting everything wrong today. Anyway, so funny. So what was I going to say afterwards? So basically I was going to say I think they're milking Granny too much. Milking Granny and Baldi. Those are the two things they've milked that much. They've made both of them have been made into games, like challenges like this one. Both of them have had at least a sequel, and, well, mostly because of their views. Although, Baldi's Field Trip did really well, Baldi's Big Zoo didn't do as well. That's what you get when you make original content like that. Baldi's Big Zoo for once was actually original content because it wasn't a thing before, which was, unless someone quote me on that. But basically, yeah. I think they've just done so much on this that I just kind of feel like I'm seeing it too much. They've done Google Translate on both of them as well, so it feels like they're milking it a bit too much. I think at this point when you stop. Granny Chapter 2, I can make sense. There was an actual second game. Baldi's Field Trip was technically, yeah, it was just supposed to be a Kickstarter game. It wasn't supposed to be a massive, big, full-on game. It was just literally, get twig, keep fire going, done. What else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, less videos. As I don't want to keep up these daily uploads, especially with a lot of stress coming in now from, world issues and personal, school life and all that. So, I don't want to upload every day and still have to worry about this. I am trying my best to, find some time to record, What If MaulGamer 5, but I'm just not finding enough time at this point, guys. I play a lot now on my Switch with friends to relieve some of that stress, but watching YouTube and playing with friends, that's the sort of thing that I kind of enjoy doing. That relieves my stress. Making videos sometimes doesn't always do that, so I'm sorry if you just like constant uploads. Also, yes, I'm still right from that video I talked about, I think on Tuesday, no, Monday. Yes, the thing over there keeps rickrolling me every morning. Just a reminder, it rickrolls me every morning, except for tomorrow and Sunday. It won't rickroll me then, because it's an alarm. It won't rickroll me when I don't need to get up at 6:30 in the morning. Yes. Don't ask. Anyway, I do want to say though, this video was released at 7 PM here, when usually the time I'm recording this, it would actually it would upload at 8. What? So I did quickly check on Ari Discord, and I think it's something to do with, Nate said it might be something to do with the whole, what do you call it, daylight system, America, which makes sense, because I noticed, pretty early on in the year, a lot of the musicals were coming out, even around 5 o'clock for me, whereas now they're starting to upload earlier, and then now they're starting to go up earlier than their late 8 PM, which there was a lot of videos that came out at 8 PM, mostly because Shovel Werewolf exist. Anyway, what was I going to do? I was going to do something like play on Xbox, build Minecraft thing. Or maybe do another reaction video. I do not know yet, because I have no life. Away. Okay. Bye. What? You haven't joined the MaulGamer Discord? Whoa! Hey, kid! Oh, hey! Hey, what am I doing? Anyway, hi, this is Maul, if you don't know, and basically I'm here to promote the new YouTube channel, The Gang. The Gang is a YouTube channel collaborated by me, Lunatones, and Sans/ItchyBoy371. Basically, we are just a really good team, so basically I thought, why not we make a collab channel? We will be posting all of our collabs onto that channel, as well as some original videos, like we could do stupid voiceovers to really famous parts in a movie, like Joker or something. I don't know. But also, you gotta remember, this is not going to be this is not exactly child friendly. This is mostly because it's supposed to be based on PewDiePie, Jacksepticeye, and Markiplier. God, that was really quick. But it's supposed to be based on them, so B said, you know what? We're gonna do non-child friendly content as well. Anyway, bye guys, and yeah, subscribe to that channel.